Don't you ever cross me again!
Driving French.
Driving French.
Okay.
Sommerwelle, tut das Not, dass das Moped so laut ist?
Sei bitte vorsichtig, sei ganz vorsichtig bitte. Nein, Rüdiger bitte! Das war kein Meter, hast du das gesehen?
Taking a live look at a police pursuit. This is a slow speed pursuit.
Du sollst einlanden, habe ich gesagt, und das ordentlich. Rüdiger, bitte!
So she is acting very erratic. Another stop. Very suspicious. The suspicion is that she may be under the influence of a controlled substance.
Horrible lane discipline.
So, we're going to be doing stop signs today. Stop means stop, there's no confusion. You have to bear these things in mind. When you come to stop junctions, be careful, slow down, stop, first gear.
The drama unfolds in front of us. It's DRS window open. Wow! Oh, that was so close. Now he needs to redeploy DRS. He ain't giving up this fight. He's desperately trying to break the DRS window. All the way around the outside. This is phenomenal. He's coming back at him now because, of course, he's got DRS. So it's extraordinary. Look at this. Cannot use DRS to defend. He's not within a second of anyone. It's a real fight now. This is brilliant racing side by side from the both of them. Whoa. So they are trading places lap after lap. Well, look at this. This gets the momentum off the back of the hairpin. How on earth did he do that? 5 tenths between the two of them. Brilliant. Absolutely enthralled by this racing.